On the knee like Kaepernick. No swag ain't jacking this. I got me a pot to piss. So top like Sosa.
Bro, the fact that he just be like coming up with flows and shit throughout the album, it's not the same flow, it's not the same tone, it's not the same vibe throughout the whole album, bro. That's what makes music like this so fire. Like it's so diverse. It's so diverse within its own within the whole project. It's not like this whole project sound like this. His next project gonna sound like this. His next project gonna sound like that. Like how it is with some rappers. Though that is diversity in a sense, this is like diverse throughout the whole thing. The whole album not gonna sound the same. Like the thing that sound the thing that sound the most similar is like the beats, and not even that. Not I mean, well, yeah, just the 808s on in a sense. Like all the even the melodies sound different. It's like a couple songs ago, you had fucking angels in the background. Nah, it's just a simple trap beat.